As a nurse on the front line, Nellie Spindler tended to wounds of young soldiers, but it was during the Battle of Passchendaele 100 years ago that she became the casualty. And today in her hometown of Wakefield, that bravery was honoured with a blue plaque installed where she once lived.
I think it's a great honour. I'm speechless, really. It's very, very moving.
Really honoured. It's overwhelming.
Yeah, people like my Auntie Nellie. We need a lot more people to dedicate their times and try and change people in the world.
Nellie Spindler was 26 when she died in one of the deadliest battles of the First World War. This memorial stone, now centre stage, serves as a reminder of her sacrifice.
Blue plaques tell the story of local people, and we're delighted that this is a very local girl who gave her life in service of her country. It's a very moving story. A young girl goes into the nursing as a profession. She volunteers to go overseas, and she's posted almost to the very front line where she's taking care of wounded soldiers. And then suddenly she herself is a casualty of war. How can one not be moved by such a story?
And it's that story which local people are hoping isn't forgotten. The tale of a Yorkshire hero who they say did them proud. Umar Farouq, ITV News, Wakefield.